Hi everybody. This video is designed to give you a brief introduction to the interface for Adobe Photoshop CS6. At the top of your Photoshop window, you have your menu bar. On each of these menus, such as the File menu, you have different commands that are related to the different menus. For example, under File, you can make a new file, open a file, save a file for web, and so on. Under Edit, you find things like Preferences, Undo, and other commands related to editing in Photoshop. And that's the menu bar located at the top of the screen. Underneath the menu bar right here, you have what's known as the Tool Options bar. This Tool Options bar is context sensitive. What that means is the items you see on the Tool Options bar are subject to change based on the tools that you currently have active on your Tools panel, which is on the left side of your Photoshop screen by default. The Tools panel gives you all of the tools that you'll use to do most of your work in Photoshop. And if you pay attention to the Tool Options bar here, as I click different tools on the Tools panel, you'll see the items on the Tool Options bar change based on what tool I currently have active. When you have a document open on your Photoshop screen like I do, I'm going to move it to the middle of the screen here, it's going to show up in its own separate document window. At the bottom of each document window is the status bar, and that gives you information about the currently open document. The other space surrounding any document windows that you might have open, in other words, any space that's blank, like this blank space that you see me moving the mouse cursor around in at the moment, that's just called your workspace. That's the area where you have all of your open documents and you do your work in Photoshop. On the right side of the screen, by default, are all of your panels. And you have various panels available to you based on what you have chosen to open up. There's color and swatches, adjustments and styles, layers, channels, and paths. And all of your panels can be found on the right side of your screen by default. So just a quick introduction to the Adobe Photoshop CS6 interface. Thank you for watching.